Welcome to In Search of Food, where cooking and eating out does not have to be expensive, where I ignore the Michelin stars and find value for a meal. The Mandarin, one of the famous buffet restaurants in the Greater Toronto, with so many locations for you to choose from. The Mandarin has a large variety of different foods in the buffet, but for a while the Mandarin has changed quite a bit, with many familiar items that used to be on the menu have gone. Let me explain later in the video. 歡迎咁多位跟我去嗰個 Mandarin 自助餐食飯。The Mandarin 喺多倫多有好多 Mandarin 喺嗰度，隨你揀邊個你中意去食。嗰個 Mandarin 有好多嘢食，而家嗰個 Mandarin 應該換咗。舊時有好多你中意食嗰啲嘢，全部唔見晒啊！我一陣你睇我個 YouTube 頻道，我會解釋俾你聽。The Mandarin has changed now. Mass-produced food, and then the taste and the quality is just not there anymore. I remember the olden days when the Mandarin only had a couple of locations. The food used to taste better, and there were items like Chinese chicken, there was short ribs, and little items on skewers. They had a barbecue section where they actually barbecue meats for you. Now that's all gone. 我記得嗰個 Mandarin 好耐之前，佢煮啲嘢好好食啊！而家佢煮太多嘢，好快出嚟，而家冇咁好食。我記得好耐之前佢有牛仔骨，佢有個人喺度煎嗰啲豬扒、牛扒，煎嗰啲嘢俾你食，好鬼食啊！而家全部嗰啲嘢唔見晒啊！ Why would you go to the Mandarin? The reason why you go to the Mandarin is because there's many locations in the Greater Toronto. You can find the closest Mandarin to your house, and then you enjoy the buffet. 點解你要去嗰個 Mandarin 自助餐食飯啊？點解你要去嗰個 Mandarin 有好多 Mandarin 喺呢個多倫多？你仲要揀邊個近你附近？好多人中意個 Mandarin， 佢有好多餐館俾你揀。點解你要去嗰個 Mandarin？ 我有幾樣嘢要講你聽。點解？第一 ，The Mandarin 有好多嘢食，有好多嘢俾你揀。佢個服務非常之好，佢嘗試邀請你，見你攞晒嗰啲污糟碟去。Since the Mandarin has opened up so many locations and mass producing the food does not taste as good as it used to be when there was less Mandarins. 而家嗰個 Mandarin 好多嗰啲 Mandarin 有好多 Mandarin， 而家佢煮嗰啲嘢真係麻麻地啊！舊時佢第一有3間 Mandarin， 佢煮啲嘢好食好多啊！ My final thoughts of the Mandarin. The good thing about the Mandarin is there's many locations. The good thing about the Mandarin is there's a lot of varieties of items to choose from, and the service is good. The place is always clean. People come to take away your plates, and it's an enjoyable atmosphere. But the food has changed. It's not as tasteful as it used to be. In the olden days, the Mandarin was much better than now. With the mass-produced items and the missing of the quality items I enjoy to eat, like the short ribs and the meats on the skewers, with that gone, and it just has changed the whole thing. 而家我食完飯啊，而家我講俾你聽
而家嗰個 Mandarin 真係麻麻地啊！好耐嗰陣時，嗰個 Mandarin 真係好食，有好多好嘢食，有嗰啲牛齋骨啊，有好多嗰啲好嘢食。而家嗰個 Mandarin 變咗好大，害咗好多間 Mandarin。而家佢嗰啲嘢真係變得冇咁好食啊！
Once again, thanks for coming with me to the Mandarin for dinner. See you on the next food journey. And remember, without you, the viewer, there will be no channel. Greatly appreciated for watching. 多謝咁多位睇我個 YouTube 頻道去嗰個 Mandarin 食飯，下回有期第二次我再介你去食好嘢。唔好唔記得，如果冇你睇我個 YouTube 頻道，我會冇呢個電台。多謝你睇我個 YouTube 頻道，多謝你，多謝你。